getting hit with shit.
Are you? Me too. Look at the smoke. It's going down to the kids. They're sitting at the fire. Tastes like victory.
I used to always have to smell smoke too.
I love it.